So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once you're on this, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And now you want to click on yes to run the Windows Update diagnostics. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.